Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you what happens if you take your hands off the steering wheel when auto steering. So right now there's a 50 km/h zone, so I'm gonna engage the auto steer by using these. You can hardly see it, but double tap and you will see here auto steer. Please keep your hands on the wheel, but I will not. And it's now my hand that is here. The other one is holding the camera. So what happens if I don't hold on to the steering wheel? Okay, so far nothing. It's keeping itself in the lane pretty nicely, doing 50 km/h. So still no messages, and there we have a message: apply light force to steering wheel. Okay, so if I don't do it, what happens then? It starts to blink, gives me another warning, keeps blinking. What else? I'm still doing 50. Still going. Nothing happens. Oh! Auto steer unavailable for the rest of this drive. Okay, it completely stopped. But I had to start again because there are cars behind me, so not close behind, but yeah, so that's what happens. It will come to a stop. It will turn on the emergency lights and come to a complete stop. So there you have it. That's what happens if you don't keep your hands on the steering wheel. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you again in the next video.